Salutations, saints and sinners all around yonder. Today is Saturday, October 11th, 2025. That being said, today is a new day, and thank you for joining me on this journey. So as you guys have seen on yesterday's video, thanks to our Heavenly Father, I was able to move Bruce to the new location and move in to the new location. And with that being said, that went pretty well. There is some more things I need to do, which I would love to bring you guys on the journey for that one. That wasn't a fart, like squeezed the wall, so yeah. So I'd like to bring you guys on that journey, which I'll be doing that Monday, 9 times out of 10. I will attempt to see if I can get my boy to pick me up or bring the jack because I'm at work today from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. So you'll also be joining me for that. So that being said, that was just a quick update of today / yesterday, well, a conclusion of yesterday and a quick update for today. That being said, what time is it right now? It is 7:25. So with that being said, 7:25 a.m. And with that being said, I also realized, and the reason why you don't see me doing this is because I'm still having mic issues, as you can see in here from last video. So with that being said, I gotta buy a new aux cord to see if it works better and it connects correctly. So salutations, saints and sinners all around yonder. Peace and shalom. Salutations, saints and sinners all around yonder. This is a quick update. I failed to mention that on my Instagram, for those who have me on my Instagram, I do daily verses today, and I meant to expound on yesterday's and today's verse of the day, which today's is Deuteronomy 17:17, and he shall not acquire many wives for himself, so that his heart does not turn away, nor shall he greatly increase silver and gold for himself. And with that being said, for that verse, the reason why I highlighted it, or I have it, and you could say my highlights, one of the highlights being believer that nothing outside of the body can defile the body. The only thing that can defile the body is from within. Conclusion being that the only thing that can defile you is yourself. That being said, that verse correlates that the reason being why certain individuals aren't allowed certain opportunities is because our Creator is well aware that those people are going to fall to sin and eternal damnation in the case that they were given those opportunities. So depending on who you are and depending on your situation, be thankful, because you never know what He's keeping you away from versus what you're trying to get towards. You get what I'm saying? Now, yesterday's verse of the day was Ecclesiasticus 20:31. The necessary patience of them that follows the Adon is better than them that governs their life without the Adon. And that's pretty self-explanatory. It's like when you're attempting to do things on your own without the proper well-being, spiritually, mentally, physically, and you can only get that from the Creator, 1, and then 2, it can only last from the Creator, and then 3, He's the ultimate source. So with that being said, this is self-explanatory verse, Ecclesiasticus, and I will get back to you guys later. Salutations, saints and sinners all around yonder. Salutations, saints and sinners all around yonder. I know it is dark as ever right now, but it's cool. It is currently 7:55 p.m. October 11th, 2025. Right now I'm on my way to grab a coffee from a coworker. We're just taking a walk downtown, and then I want to run you guys through what's going on tomorrow. Tomorrow being they consider to be Sunday, or what they call Sunday, which is the first day of the week. I'll be going to service tomorrow morning. I'll also be attempting to do a buzz cut tomorrow morning. I'm not getting any jump rope in, but I do got service at 10:45 a.m. So I'll be going there. I'll be attempting to cut my hair before then. Try to get me a shave. Bring you guys along on that journey. Here, just join me along for the walk. I'll take go sleep on. What side I'm Mike? Then cross the street. Send you guys over to the other side. Cross the street. So what are we doing across the street? That's makes sense to go across the street. Nah, we'll take it to go. Send you over on the path. My job during the week. Job going to on Monday. Job going to on Monday. And schedule 10 is not too hot. Not too hot. Top of the wall. It's getting pretty windy. Almost at the dots. Almost there. Logan? Something like that. Alright, now we're finally at Dunkin' Donuts. Catch you guys in a bit. Salutations, saints and sinners all around yonder. It is currently 9:44 p.m. October 11th, 2025. I'm getting back to you guys with basically a conclusion of today and a recap. Besides what was seen in the clips, all has been well today on this 16-hour shift. All has been well so far on this 16-hour shift. I currently got like just an hour more left, so it's not that bad. With that being said, it was a fruitful day. I was able to have conversations with two sisters in existence. One was very fruitful conversation. We started speaking about like doctrine and things of the nature, and that's like my forte. So I was able to be used, hopefully, you know, in this situation. And yeah, besides that, that's really it for today. Tomorrow morning I will be waking up early to get myself a buzz cut, get ready for service tomorrow. I won't take you guys on the walk. Try to get some footage, because I would say that's like the Spirit has been able to make me comfortable with recording myself. Now the only issue is recording myself with other people. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like being in public and having people join the video, or like for example, while I was walking to Dunkin' Donuts, dude asked me was I vlogging, and like that made me nervous. Not nervous in a bad way, but nervous as in like something I'm not used to, you know. So ultimately, as long as the Spirit puts me in situations to get used to it, I should be able to get used to it. And with that being said, that is all for today. Salutations, saints and sinners all around yonder. I will see you guys tomorrow morning, October 12th, 2025. Peace and shalom.